This is a case of an open-angle glaucoma in a 55-year-old gentleman presenting with an IOP of 36 mm of mercury with a moderate disc damage. The IOP came down to 25 mm of mercury with 3 anti-glaucoma drugs, and there was a significant cataract. So we planned a triple surgery procedure, trabeculectomy with cataract surgery with IOL implantation. The surgery was planned as a single site procedure. Rectangular flap was fashioned for trabeculectomy with 2 corners sutured with 10-0 monofilament nylon. Of day 1, normal depth AC, clear cornea, good bleb. 7 days there was reduction in bleb height with moderate congestion. IOP increasing towards 26 mm of mercury again. Twice weekly injection of 5FU started. Persistently raised IOP with no improvement in bleb was noted. Contrary, epithelial keratopathy from 5FU started. Flat congested bleb with corkscrew vessel at the end of 1 month. Patient was taken for needling of the bleb under local anesthesia. As the IOP kept on rising, there was no significant improvement with 5FU injection given twice weekly. Total dose given was about 50 to 60 mg, 180 degree away from the bleb. And since the patient started developing epithelial keratopathy, it was decided to take the patient for needling of the bleb. A 26 gauge bench needle was introduced 5 mm away from the bleb site and passed under the scleral flap, and one of the fixation suture of the flap was broken and the needle was advanced towards the other edge of the flap, subconjunctivally and subscleral flap, with the side to side movement of the needle. And as one can see, there is a fresh flow of aqueous from the antechamber into the subconjunctival space. The AC depth is coming down, and the needle was also introduced through the opening into the entry chamber. At the same time, a subconjunctival injection of a deposteroid with 5FU given. First day post needling, good bleb with normal depth AC, decreased congestion of bleb with compression of corkscrew vessels, a good bleb height with IOP of 5 and clear cornea. Pre and post needling images. Thank you for watching video.